Online shopping is booming in Malaysia, and starting your own online marketplace could be your next big business move. An online marketplace connects buyers and sellers in one digital platform. Whether it's fashion, food, electronics, or handmade goods, Malaysians love the convenience and variety that online marketplaces offer. To start, you'll need a solid business plan, a registered company, and a secure website or app. Partner with reliable suppliers, integrate online payment systems, and ensure smooth logistics for delivery. Marketing is key. Use SEO, social media, and influencer partnerships to attract customers. Build trust by offering excellent customer service and clear refund policies. And don't forget to comply with Malaysia's e-commerce regulations, including personal data protection and business registration laws. With the right strategy and expert guidance, your online marketplace can thrive in Malaysia's growing digital economy. Let 3E Accounting Malaysia help you start strong and succeed online.